Hey there, this is Nick with Cascade, here to take you through our new Jira integration. To get this set up, you're going to click your initials on the bottom left-hand portion of your page, select Integrations, and then Go Progress. Here we're going to add a connection. You're able to call this anything that you would like. I'm going to choose Shared and press Connect. By choosing Shared, we can make sure that everybody on this Cascade account can use this connection. You'll be taken to a pop-up window here where you need to allow Cascade access to see your Jira account. And once you give it access, you can see here that our connection has been added underneath Jira. Perfect. So navigating back to our planner, we're going to go into our first goal, into a goal named Expand into the Fixed Gear Market. This goal has two nested sub-goals underneath it, and this is where the Jira integration gets extremely powerful. Depending on how your Jira is set up, you're able to get as granular as you would like with what kind of things you're tracking within a Cascade goal. So to see this in action, let's go to our Jira account. We can see that we are tracking an epic, or excuse me, there's an epic right here called Fixed Gear Prototype that we want to track. This has three stories underneath it, and this one story here has two subtasks. So say we want to track this epic right here in a Cascade goal. Navigate back to Cascade, choose the goal you would like to integrate with, and we're going to choose Jira. Select our connection, our workspace, filter by project. This one lives in our Cascade integrations project. And like I said, we're going to choose an epic. What this is going to do now is it's going to go in and look for every single epic there is in the Cascade integration project. All we have to do is choose the correct epic. And this schedule here is how often you would like it to update. I'm going to choose daily. I'll click save, and then I'm going to click sync now to manually update. And you can see here now that this is up to 20%. Now this will dynamically change with the things that are happening inside this Jira epic. We can see that by changing one of these subtasks from to do to done, going back into our Cascade account, and then clicking the text again to manually update. And now you can see this has gone up to 40%. Now this is really amazing for keeping track of overarching goals that are hard to quantify. And this percentage here is automatically calculated by the integration itself. So you can get as granular as you want with this integration. For example, we have a goal named Source Customer Insights here. We can integrate this into a Jira subtask by using the same flow as we did earlier, selecting the workspace and then the project. However, this time we're going to select subtask here in our issue type. Then all we have to do is select the correct subtask. Say we want to update this hourly, click save, and then I'm going to manually sync now. Now you can see this Cascade goal here is 100% complete. And that is because this is correlating with the subtask that we have complete right here. Now obviously you're not going to be syncing all epics, stories, and subtasks from your Jira account to Cascade, but now you're able to pick what you would like to track, which is so powerful if you or your team is using Jira. Your Jira account is bound to be a lot more developed from this very simple example, but I hope you can see how simple this is to set up and the opportunities that it gives you and your team. Take some time to mess around with this integration in your Cascade account. One thing to note is I highly suggest setting up your Jira account with some higher level overarching issue types. That way you'll be able to tie those to your Cascade goals to get a very good picture of how things are coming along. This integration has so many opportunities to it to help you and your team, so please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions.